best free project management tool for creators. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free project management tool for creators that can completely transform how you organize and execute your creative workflow. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. If you're a content creator juggling multiple platforms, clients, or ideas, ClickUp is the perfect tool to keep everything in one place. It's free to use and packed with features designed to help creators stay productive and stress-free. You can build customized workflows using list, board, or calendar views depending on your style. Whether you're managing YouTube scripts, Instagram posts, or podcast episodes, ClickUp gives you the flexibility to plan, track, and organize every piece of content. What makes it stand out is the ability to prioritize tasks, set due dates, and attach files, all within a clean and visual interface. It's especially helpful when collaborating with editors, designers, or clients. ClickUp also includes built-in goal tracking, a time tracker, and even a content calendar view, so you always know what's due next. And the best part? It integrates with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zoom, keeping your creative workflow connected without the chaos. That's all for the video. If you're a creator looking for a powerful free tool to manage your projects, ClickUp is definitely worth checking out.